Was established on 9th April 1980. Since then, we grew from scratch to strength, and today, apart from just cleaning services, which was our traditional business, we are now into total facility management. We do total solution providing for IFM. Basically, includes a lot of healthcare for private, for government, and also we do quite a bit of other areas of work for buildings, office, shopping malls, and as far as we are concerned, anybody needs cleaning or anybody needs services, we are there to serve. We do a reliable service at all time, no disruption of service. All processes are based on our SOPs and also ISO certified. Now basically HARTA, the deliverance of service is very essential for us because HARTA's main focus is on people. People are our premium resources. That includes our clients, our staffs, and all our vendors and anybody that are interrelated to the deliverance of our services.
Our vision is to be a leading service provider for sustainable facility management in Malaysia. Our mission is, firstly, we value high performance people as our premium resources. Secondly, we offer outstanding services and innovative solutions. And finally, we implement best practices in environmental protection.
We have the expertise, readiness, people skill. We are flexible and can personalize the requests of our clients. One of our strengths is our sustainable service practices. Example, automation, green practices and green products.
HARTA also use energy efficient machinery and environmental friendly cleaning materials.
HARTA had been awarded the Frost & Sullivan Best Practices Award in 2018 for Malaysia Energy Management Solution. And in the same year, we have been awarded the Brand Laureate Bumiputra Best Brand in Facility Management. While in 2017, we had won number 1 for Enterprise 50 Malaysia.
We need to be responsive to our customer demand. We also have to ensure smooth operation, and our priority is customer is first.
We have quite a number of government hospitals that we are servicing, and not forgetting our private hospitals like Gleneagles, Pantai, and our new workers on arrival, they are given 2 weeks very comprehensive training whereby they learn all the training skills on cleansing, and then after they are deployed to their respective projects. As far as the engineering side is concerned, we have the energy managers and indoor air quality managers who are deployed at the hospitals. The most important part is the indoor air quality managers, whereby they do consultation work to the hospitals.
Safety at work is very important as for SOP, especially for IDC area, like example, intensive care unit, OT room, and then care unit, and then also a burn unit. So this area we must very careful and have to use our standard of procedure at working place.
Syarikat Harta Maintenance Sdn Bhd adalah menunjukkan prestasi mereka yang terbaik, termasuk kaki tangan dan penyelia-penyelia yang telah memberi kerjasama dan perkhidmatan mereka dalam bahagian housekeeping dengan kami di Gleneagles Kuala Lumpur. Mereka telah melakukan tugasan yang paling baiklah, yang mana kami telah perhatikan dan kami telah uji pekerjaan mereka selama ini.